to find out what's going on with this injector pump. I'm getting kind of confused now. So what I've done is I've got some vinyl tubing all the same length, and I've also drilled a hole, 4 holes in here for the vinyl tubing to stick out. I know it's a bit wibbly wobbly, but well, it doesn't really matter. And I've held it on with a camera clamp. All the vinyl tubing is the same length. With a syringe and got all the air out the pipes, I've put it so that it's just the same level throughout. Let's have a zoom. Yeah. So all the levels are approximately the same. Very much the same. So I'm going to crank it over and see what happens. They seem the same, don't they? Is that a good test? Should the pipes be longer? They're all firing. I don't know. Like I say, should the pipes be longer? Well, tell you what, let's drop that bit of diesel out and make the pipes longer. So I've made a little support bracket, put the pipes through a bit longer. Of course, being PVC or whatever it is, vinyl, it won't, it's all got a natural curve to it, but it'll give us a better indicator of what's happening with that fuel. Now I've levelled them all off here. Let's see what happens. Well, accounting for inaccuracy, that one looks the same as that one, looks the same as that one. This one's a little bit higher, but you know, I could be off with my, you know, I'm only filling them up by eye with a syringe. But it's not down here, is it? That's where I expected it to be. I expected it to be sort of kind of low. Tell you what, let's do best out of 3. Left them a little bit higher this time, because I just bent the pipes down into a bowl to empty them, so that's got them nice and even. Let's see what happens now. Pretty much even, eh? So, now what's wrong? Honestly, I expected this number 3 to be a little bit lower. Well, mystery. So, I need to box all this back up together, and maybe run it for a while. I don't know. It's really puzzled me. So if let's know your thoughts and comments. Does anybody know what the real compression ratio of these engines should be? Am I low on compression? I got 395 on 1, 2 and 3, and 383 or 380 around about that on number 4. A little bit low, but not the end of the world low. I really don't know. That to me was a bit of an eye-opener. I honestly expected it to be really low. There's no point doing third test because it's exactly the same. So, let me know your thoughts.